Hi everyone, welcome to the Baguette Investor channel for a new weekly update of the markets. Before we start the technical analysis and the review of many different things, I want to share with you my trading journal. You can go to my Discord link in the description of this video and download my trading journal to have all the trades I have taken since the beginning of this trading journal, which was last week. Right now we're June 21 of the year 2021. If you want to see my account summary, how much I hold into every account, the list of my trades, and you can even go to the charts and how much I risk on that position. So it might be very interesting to you. It might be a model for your journal. Not going to go very into the details. I made a video on the YouTube channel. You can find it on the channel page. If you're interested into that, go to the link in the description, join the Discord, and you'll be able to download it. Let's get to the technical analysis. So we're here in Bitcoin. Last week I bought. You might have understood that I sold what I bought last week, was stopped out, took my little loss. It's written right there in my trading journal. Gonna go right to there, and you can see that this is the trade I initialed on June 13th. Sorry, it's very hard for me to say. 13th of the year 2021, and I lost $200 on a $30,000 account. So that's that much, not a big deal. You have to assume your losses. Losing in the markets, there's nothing wrong with losing if it does not blow your account. Good traders and professional traders lose all the time. Day traders may lose every day, and it's not a problem. Be okay with showing your losses on Twitter and on Facebook, on blogs. Very few people are showing their losses because it's very linked to the ego. I have no problem showing my losses. Everything is public right there. You can see my gains and my losses. I don't mind you seeing that I lost money, because you need to understand that if you want to become a professional trader, you have to lose and you have to master your losses. The key is into risk management, but we're not going to go into that into this video. We're going to review the charts. So last weekly candle, still in the range, boring market. We zoom in on the daily. We're still in the range. What's a range market? It's no trend. It's going sideways. What do you want me to say? I don't know which way it's gonna go. Last week I had this idea that if it had enough strength, it would have gone and made a new bull market. It did not happen. It got invalidated. I lost a small amount of money, which is no big deal. And remember, the purpose is not to be right every time. The purpose is when you're right, you're making a lot of money, and when you're wrong, you're losing very few money, which means you have positive expectancy on your trading. We go to the Altcoin Index. It's the same thing, but the chart is looking a little worse. It's looking like it wants to break down. But to me, we still have not made a low with the close, and we not made a low with the lowest. So we're gonna see if we make a low. But right now, if you had to buy that, would I buy that? Absolutely not. I am not buying any of this. In the previous time, if you were not there while I was doing the weekly videos, I sold most of my altcoins on this bearish signal right here. You can go and check the previous videos to see that I'm not joking, and I'm not bragging about what I did. It's just, pure technical analysis. It's not about being a genius. It's about being able to read the chart. So when you see the trends starting to slow down like that, it's making new highs, but it's with less and less strength. And there you see there was no strength on the breakout right there. And then soon there is a breakdown after a double top. It's very, very often a sign of a top market. And I was not wrong. Even if I would have been wrong, not have been a problem. I would have gotten out of the market and back in again after I saw the market going up again. So yeah, it's about risk management. Altcoins look very bad. You can also take a look at the Bitcoin dominance. This is very simply showing you if it's altcoins that are trending or Bitcoin. When Bitcoin dominance is going down, it means altcoins are happy, and when Bitcoin dominance is rising, it means altcoins are not happy. And you can see that we had a beautiful alt season right there as soon as we broke down this huge structure on the Bitcoin dominance, and we had the nice alt season, and now we're making a reversal pattern on the Bitcoin dominance. So what does that mean? What does that mean in terms of you investing into the markets? It means that Bitcoin might gain importance into the market, so that signifies altcoins going down in importance. So it means you want to be invested. If you're invested either way, well, I am not invested because I don't want to be invested in a market that's going down. But even if I was, I would be long into Bitcoin to minimize my losses, or to be short altcoins because there's the one who are going to go down as much as they are supposed to. I hope I'm clear. If Bitcoin dominance is going down, up, sorry, it means that the importance of Bitcoin in the whole crypto markets is gaining importance. So you need to be aware of that when you're investing or when you're trading. This is very, very interesting data you can use for yourself. We also have the American markets that are looking like are not looking that great. They made a fake breakout. They're drawing a rising wedge, which is a bearish sign. And there's also the DXY. That's something interesting you might want to check sometime. It's the importance of the dollar index that is making sorry, it's making a nice bottom. So a dollar might go up in value in the future. Who knows if it validates this bottom structure. And yeah, that's about it. I am not short Bitcoin. I'm short altcoins. I can show you one of the position I have. As always, my computer is lagging. Gonna show you my position. Well, you can check it. You would have seen it if you checked my trading journal, but it's always interesting to see which trade I'm doing. This is a trade on the short side on a future contract on Binance. Because I saw the market losing strength, I want to. I'm trying stuff at the moment. I'm not taking the best setups. I know they don't have the best success rate, but if you're risking very few money, I'm risking 1% on that trade. It's really not a big deal. And I secured my trade. So you see this alert line. It means that if it hits the white line, I will be notified, and my stop loss is right at the white line. So my stop loss is at my entry price. And what does that mean when you have your stop loss at your entry price? Well, it means if it hits the stop loss, you are taken out of the trade and you don't lose money. It's a way to secure your position. The downside is that if it goes back to your entry price, you're going to be taken out of the trade. But the upside is you can secure your capital by using this tool. So yeah, tell me in the comments how you traded. If you did take the trade on Bitcoin last week, I did and was stopped out. As again, it's not a big deal. The real danger we have right now is if it breaks down like that. If it breaks down like that, I think it's going to be very, very bloody and fast. It's going to go to 20K, absolutely. If we break down 30K with strength, close, I think it's going to 20K, in my opinion. So I might take the short if I have the possibility. If I can't, well, I won't, and wait for a new opportunity. So thank you. Reminder that you can join the Discord right there and download my trading journal. Yup. Welcome to my trading journal in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. See you next week. Goodbye, guys. Whoops.